This one is raw. That one is boiled.
The Kidz Corner! Hello everybody, welcome to our science experiment, and this is
The Kidz Corner! I'm Ethan.
And
she is
Meso! Today's experiment is the egg spin test.
Guys, this is an egg mystery. We're going to see if an egg is raw or boiled. Let's find out with some fun, exciting science.
The first step is to spin the egg. Guys, which one do you think will spin the fastest? The boiled or the raw?
And which one do you think will continue spinning when we try to stop it? The boiled or the raw? Let's find out. This one is raw. That one is boiled.
This one is boiled.
This one's raw. That one is raw.
This one is boiled.
This one is raw. Guys, we've sorted the eggs out, but this is the moment of truth.
Dun dun dun.
Let's crack these shells open, baby.
Boiled. Boiled.
Boiled.
Guys, as you can see, we sorted all the boiled eggs right.
Yay!
Now let's check out the raw eggs.
Let's crack these skulls open, baby.
Disgust.
Let me show you how a master does it.
You got the yellow part.
That's wrong. Guys, in this experiment, there are two cool science concepts.
Inertia and friction.
Now, inertia is when you stop something and it still continues what it's doing. In this case, even though the raw egg spins slowly, when we tried to stop it, it was still spinning afterwards. Also, there is more friction in the raw egg than in the boiled egg.
This is because the boiled egg is all solid inside, so spins faster. But the raw egg is liquid,
And slushy inside.
so it spins slowly.
Now, like our social media channels,
Share and comment.
subscribe if you want more. Remember, this is the
The
Kidz
Kidz
Corner.
Corner.
Well, bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye.